Hi everyone, this is Alex with BIMitUp. Continue with the Revit from 0 to 100 multi-trade course. Today I'm going to show you how to create fascias and soffits. First, we're going to start with fascias, and then we're going to move to soffits. As simple as that. See you in Revit. Now remember, this video is part of a full course, so if you haven't watched the previous videos, go ahead and watch them now. By now, most of you know that I suffer a horrible data loss. It was easily 1,000 hours of hard work, pretty much 100 hours of video content, so it was pretty tough. Still recovering from that. I even thought about stopping and not making any more videos, but I decided that the content is valuable and I'm going to keep going. I am going to slow down a little bit on YouTube though, but if you are one of those who are following the course, I don't want you to have to slow down with me. So I remind you that this content is available completely free at BIMitUp.com. You can sign up for free, and this course as of now, as of December 2025, is still free. It's not going to be free forever, but for now it's free. So if you want to follow the content over there and finish the course over there, you're more than welcome. In the meantime, I'll leave you with this video. Hi everyone, this is Alex with BIMitUp, where we help you with professional training and coaching in mechanical, electrical, plumbing, fire protection systems, and Autodesk platforms like Revit and AutoCAD MEP. Let's get started. All right, now let's go ahead and add some fascias to our roof. So for that, we come here to roof fascia. And then you just click on the face of the roof where you want to add the fascia. So I'm going to click right here. As you can see, it's a little bit too deep. This is not what I want, but we can always come to edit type. We can duplicate this one. Let's make it a 1x6. In reality, it's a little bit smaller, but I'm just going to make it a 1x6. We need to change our profile to be now 1x6. And now we can change the material. I'm a little bit too lazy to create a new material, so I'm going to use door panel white. Click OK. Click OK. And that's pretty good. I'm going to create similar CS. I'm just going to go around adding fascia. And if you by any chance put a fascia somewhere by mistake, so let's say I want to remove this one here, you can come here to add or remove segment and then just click on it and it will remove it from the selection. So remember, this thing, it's a whole thing. So you can do it one by one or you can do the entire thing. It all depends on what you want. I'm just going to continue adding some more fascia. I have the one I want by default now, so I can click here, 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 and here. You can modify the finishes here, but I'm not going to waste time on this. I'm just going to leave it like that. That's good enough for me. Now let's go ahead and create some roof soffit. And for that, I'm going to open the roof plan. And let's see. Let's take a look at our section. I'll grab this section here. Let's take a look. We want our roof soffit to be referenced to the roof level, but then we want to come down to here, right? So let's take a look. I'm going to do roof soffit, and now I'm going to go here, pick lines, and then I'm going to pick this line, this line, this line, and this line, and I'm going to do TR for trimming from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, and this one's already done. And then on this side, I'm going to pick here, 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 and here. And then I'm going to do TR for trimming from here to here, from here to here, and then from here to here, and from here to here. And I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to bring it down, but let's modify it a little bit. So let's click on it. And this is 1/2 inch plywood with 2x4 studs. Let's go edit, You know what, let's just save a little time. Let's just go structure, and then here let's just pick door panel white, and here also door panel white. Click OK, and OK, and OK. Now it's looking a lot better. We actually have soffit here on the inside, so I'm going to do create similar. I'm going to pick walls, this one here. I'm going to pick this one here. I'm going to pick lines now, because if I go pick roof edges, it will select the entire roof. Just want to pick this line here and this line here, and then I'm going to click here. I'm going to do TR from here to here, and then from here to here. And here I'm going to do the same thing. So pick lines. I'm going to pick this one, and then TR from here to here, and from here to here. And then I'm going to pick this line, and let's make sure we trim from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. Now we can click OK. Let's take a look at our 3D view. And again, that's too high. And then we can get the height of this one and just copy it over. Control C. Now I click here. Control V. Let's go to our 3D view. And there it is. Let's go to our 3D view. Actually, I need to edit this a little bit because I'm eating into the fascia. So let me click here, roof plan, edit boundary, and this should actually be, I'm doing a line to here, and then a line to here. Hit OK, go to our 3D view. That's much better. Perfect. Now let's go with the other side. Now we're missing this piece here. Same thing. So our architecture, roof, soffit. Then I'm going to pick line here, 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 and here. And then TR for trimming from here to here, from here to here. This one's already done, and from here to here. Click OK. Go to 3D view. And that's very good. Make sure that your height, you lower it enough so you can see it flush with the bottom of the roof. In my case, it's -3 inches and 85 to 156.